To reclaim. To reclaim. Kwisubiza ikintu watakaje cyangwa se wambuwe. He reclaimed his money. He reclaimed his money. Yisubije amafaranga ye. They reclaimed their land. They reclaimed their land. Bisubije ubutaka bwabo. I want to reclaim my respect. I want to reclaim my respect. Ndashaka kwisubiza icyubahiro cyanjye. You can reclaim your place. You can reclaim your place. Ushobora kwisubiza umwanya wawe. To impress, kwemeza. To impress, kwemeza. He wants to impress the teacher. Ashaka kwemeza mwarimu. You don't need to impress anyone. Nta muntu uwo ari we wese ukeneye kwemeza. They tried to impress the boss. They tried to impress the boss. Bagerageje kwemeza umuyobozi. She impressed everyone with her voice. She impressed everyone with her voice. Yemeje buri umwe n'ijwi rye. Don't try to impress me. Ntugerageze kunyemeza. Don't try to impress me with your lies. Ntugerageze kunyemeza n'ibinyoma byawe. Are you trying to impress me? Uri kugerageza kunyemeza? Are you trying to impress me? Uri kugerageza kunyemeza? Let's go and impress them. Let's go and impress them. Reka tugende tubemeze. I am impressed. Ndemeye. I am impressed. Ndemeye. You impressed me. Uranyemeje. You impressed me. Uranyemeje. To exaggerate. Gukabya. To exaggerate. Gukabya. You are exaggerating again. You are exaggerating again. Uri gukabya nanone. He always exaggerates stories. He always exaggerates stories. Ahora akabya inkuru. Stop exaggerating your problems. Stop exaggerating your problems. Rekeraho gukabya ibibazo byawe. They exaggerated everything. They exaggerated everything. Bakabirije ibintu byose. I think she's exaggerating a little. I think she's exaggerating a little. Ntekereza ko ari gukabya gato. She likes exaggerating. Akunda gukabya. She always likes to exaggerate. Iteka ryose akunda gukabya. Cyangwa se igihe cyose akunda gukabya. They like exaggerating. They like exaggerating. Bakunda gukabya. To regret. Kwicuza. To regret. Kwicuza. I don't regret it. I don't regret it. Simbyicuza. I don't regret what I have done. I don't regret what I have done. Sinicuza ibyo nakoze. To insist. To insist. Guhatiriza. Stop insisting. Rekeraho guhatiriza. Stop insisting me. Stop insisting me. Rekeraho kumpatiriza. Brick. Itafari. Brick by bricking. Itafari ku itafari. I will build my company brick by bricking. Nzubaka kampani yanjye itafari ku itafari. I'm going to build my life brick by bricking. Ngiye kubaka ubuzima bwanjye itafari ku itafari. To consist. Kugigwa na cyangwa se kigizwe na. The team consists of 5 players. Ikipe igizwe n'abakinnyi batanu cyangwa se itsinda. The meal consists of rice and beans. The meal consists of rice and beans. Ifunguro rigizwe n'umuceri n'ibishyimbo. Success consists of hard work and patience. Success consists of hard work and patience. Intsinzi igizwe no gukora cyane ndetse no kwihangana. This book consists of 10 chapters. Iki gitabo kigizwe n'ibice 10. To lie. To lie. Kubeshya. Stop lying. Rekeraho kubeshya. He lied to me. Yarambeshye. Are you lying again? Are you lying again? Uri kubeshya nanone. She lies all the time. She lies all the time. Ahora abeshya. To try. Kugerageza. Try again. Gerageza nanone. I'm trying my best. Ndi kugerageza uko nshoboye. I'm trying my best. Ndi kugerageza uko nshoboye. He tried but failed. Yagerageje ariko biranga. He tried but failed. Yagerageje ariko biranga. I tried but failed. I tried but failed. Nagerageje ariko biranga. Keep trying. Keep trying. Komeza ugerageze. To complain. Kwiganyira. To complain. Kwiganyira cyangwa se kwinubira. Don't complain in your job. Ntukiganyire mu kazi kawe. Don't complain in your job. Ntukiganyire mu kazi kawe. Don't complain for my behavior. Don't complain for my behavior. Ntukiganyirire imyitwarire yanjye. They like to complain. They like to complain. Bakunda kwiganyira. To ignore. To ignore. Kwirengagiza. Don't ignore me. Ntunyirengagize. Don't ignore me. Ntunyirengagize. He ignored my message. He ignored my message. Yirengagije ubutumwa bwanjye. They are ignoring the truth. They are ignoring the truth. Bari kwirengagiza ukuri. She ignored everyone. She ignored everyone. Yirengagije buri umwe. Why are you ignoring him? Why are you ignoring him? Kubera iki uri kumwirengagiza? To blame. Kugaya. To blame. Kugaya cyangwa se kunenga. Don't blame me for it. Don't blame me for it. Ntubingayire. She always blames others. Iteka ryose agaya abandi. She blamed me for everything. She blamed me for everything. Yangayiye buri kimwe. To promise. Gusezeranya. I promise I will protect you. Ndagusezeranya nzakurinda. I promise I will love you forever and ever. I promise you I will love you forever and ever. Ndagusezeranya nzagukunda iteka n'iteka. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.